Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here on a great video presentation for Polygon price prediction early February 2024. Speaking about a cryptocurrency which is having enthusiasm as it broke out of an important trending line, so we're going to talk about it. Obviously you cannot see that on the percentage which comes around the movements, that's true, but the fact that it didn't move, it do not means it's not going to move. Obviously, this is something you can speak about any cryptocurrency out there, and especially do not speak about the type of the movement you're going to have. But we're speaking the probabilities on the right side of the market at the moment, and let's get to the discussion, folks. Before we make sure about it, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, see many other inspirational videos, especially on the trading side, and find yourself comfortable around it. There is a live trade running around $188,000, $189,000, the usual trade I have on the BTC going around pretty fine. So if you want to be part of my trading, you can definitely do so. Option number one is without any prior fee, just a commission from the profits we achieve. Simple, completely outsourced, and done for you as a trading with API trading permission. At the same time, we have basically the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is serious about this business and would like to become financial free. Together, we can do it as working into the skills and educational sector, which is what can take you to a financial freedom. Polygon, folks. This is what's happening, right? So we broke out of the line that I just told you, a massive downtrending resistance line. This kept us under pressure for a while, 33 days out here, representing 27%. And of course, that breakout we generated got stuck at the very next resistances, which is an accumulation of 3 resistance points coming from the supply level. Supply level is between 81 and 83 cents. Then you have the reversed golden pocket in between the two black lines. This is between 83 and 85. And then you have the key level on 85 around that of the fixed range volume profile, which means that as soon as you're trading below that, as an overall perspective, you are in danger of to be dominated by the bears. When you start trading above it, you are having a better perspective towards the upside. What's happening at the moment? We are below this conjunction of selling pressure appearing right there, but at the same time we are trading above something very important, the previous resistance, current support, trending line. This is gonna keep us very powerful. Even if we decrease, guys, it's still right there and it's gonna hold you. That's very important at the end of the day. And one of the things that we need to keep in mind is that, Polygon, at a time it's gonna break out, will directly try and hunt this top right here, this tops, that one over there. So anything above 90 cents is already part of the targets. I mean, from here, this is already a minimal 13% with a, will not say maximal, but with the top of the expectation sitting on 95 cents, and that's 18%, guys. That's something you definitely want to make sure you consider about it as a conservative approach towards the market. I'm not that person anymore. I used to be back in the day when I was baby at trading, when I was within my first 1 to 2 years of trading back in the day in 2015, 16, to consider that any trade should pay me millions. It will not. And it shouldn't pay me like that. So the idea is pretty simple. The percentages that we select as targets are basically based on a level of technical analysis, which is understandable for anyone out here on YouTube, and make sure I can get a specific level of knowledge popularized for people to get the proper things at a very entry level. Speaking about only the things that are just the most meaningful, this is no technical analysis on intermediate or advanced level at all. Now, what else is needed to be talked? Well, you have the moving averages. Those are also very important because you're exactly on them right now and you're dealing with support from these lines, which means that it's a perfect momentum for the markets to generate that BTC and Ethereum movement, which will take the entire altcoin market to the highs. And this is also great to take some of the liquidity from the inefficient area right there. Exactly. So that would be the whole thing that we're looking for, folks. Anything above 90 up to 95 cents, 5 cents range for liquidity. This is something that I consider for Polygon, and that would be a great target to consider on early February 2024. At the same time, if we decide to move a little bit lower and take some of the liquidity, be careful about this one, be careful about a trending line, be careful about, this low and this lows right here is a price action, which means 78, 77 cents. You want to definitely pay high attention to that one as well. That's it, folks. Enjoy, have a good time. Once again, for those of you that would like to participate in my trading, you can definitely do so. You can have access to all the resources in the description area or comments area. At the same time, one-on-one coaching, well, just like I said, only for serious people, only for the ones that are aiming to become financial free. Whether you want to do this part-time or full-time, it's time to go in the right direction by having the proper knowledge and skills in trading. As I've been trading since 2014 full-time, you definitely want to make sure about it. Enjoy, folks. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.